Have you ever wondered about the journey a carrot takes from a tiny seed to the crunchy vegetable you enjoy? Let's explore the fascinating life cycle of a carrot plant. Carrots are biennial plants, meaning their life cycle spans 2 years. In the first year, they focus on growing their root, which is the part we eat. In the second year, they produce flowers and seeds. The journey begins with sowing the seeds. Carrot seeds are tiny and typically planted directly into the soil in early spring or late summer. Within a week or two, if conditions are right, the seeds germinate, and delicate green seedlings emerge from the soil. This is where the magic of growth truly begins. As the plant grows, the taproot begins to swell and develop, forming the edible carrot we all recognize. This process continues throughout the first growing season. Above ground, the foliage of the carrot plant grows, with feathery green leaves performing photosynthesis to convert sunlight into energy, fueling the root's growth. Once the carrot root reaches its desired size, typically in late summer or fall of the first year, it's ready for harvest. This is the moment gardeners look forward to. If left in the ground over winter, the carrot plant will enter its second year. It will bolt, sending up a tall flower stalk to produce seeds. These flowers eventually develop into small seeds, completing the plant's reproductive cycle and ensuring future generations of carrots. And there you have it, the complete life cycle of a carrot plant, from a tiny seed to a vibrant vegetable and back to seed again. It's a testament to nature's incredible design.